Are you building a city from scratch? Where do you start? Is Godzilla on vacation? City planners have to consider everything. Roads, buildings, even parks. Just like when enterprise architects design a system with subsystems that keeps a business running smoothly. Both absolutely require a blueprint so detailed that it not only responds to current needs, but also includes plans for future growths and challenges. Think of it as a reality show. Extreme City Makeover. Future Edition. When you build a city, you face the huge task of making sure that all elements, from the transportation to the utilities, work together to create not only a functional, but also a livable environment. In enterprise architecture, architects have to integrate different IT systems and business processes to support and achieve organizational goals. You need to balance technological needs with business strategies, ensuring that the IT infrastructure is aligned with the company's vision and operational requirements. Don't forget to build a bunker for the servers. They're more sensitive than the CEO on a bad day. Successful cities expand, so the infrastructure has to evolve accordingly. New neighborhoods may need new roads, water, and emergency services. In the world of enterprise architecture, business initiatives can lead to using new technologies or changing existing systems. Architects have to evaluate the need for the organization nonstop and adjust the architecture according to bringing in new tools and processes without creating disruption for ongoing operations. These iterations involve complex decisions, proper scalability, security, and efficiency. Think of it as a Mission Impossible setup. Every iteration self-destructs after 5 seconds to guarantee security. The moment of trust in both city planning and enterprise architecture is responding to a major crisis. It doesn't matter if it's a natural disaster or a massive cyber attack. How fast a city recovers from a storm will show you both the strengths and weaknesses of the infrastructure in place. How a business survives and recovers from technical disruptions will show you the robustness and versatility of its enterprise architecture. Just ask any IT hero with a flash drive and a coffee mug. They've seen things you wouldn't believe. Well-planned cities stand the test of time and growth, and a strong enterprise architecture can exponentially boost an organization's performance and flexibility. The total strategic alignment of business processes and IT systems is crucial to meeting not only the current operational demands, but also to pave the way for future expansion and innovation. It's about being so aligned you can't tell where the business ends and the IT begins. I wanted this to be a joke, but it's just too good and accurate. Discover key principles to help your business thrive in the digital age. Have an idea for a future video? Drop it in the comments.